$6.6 billion spent by users in 2023 alone. More than the combined salaries of the NBA, the NHL, Major League Baseball.
Everyone's heard of OnlyFans, but no one really knows what it is. There's a house in LA, and there's a girl named Sophie Rain who's a Christian OnlyFans girl, and she's got a bunch of girls that literally look like they're 12 years old, and they make childlike content on TikTok to be able to promote their OnlyFans. Because they hear mothers that tell me, little girls are now like, I want to be a part of it, but I love it.
Oh my Lord. This is diabolical. It's like a feeder system. So we've had Nala Ray, who said she made $14 million. Then we had like China, who said she was making like $20 million a month at her height. Is that the reality for most girls?
The reality is the average wage of an OnlyFans creator is $180 a month.
Were you there long enough to say, I know this is going to be successful? Were you able to figure that out?
Yeah, the younger the better.
Sheesh. This is dark. Okay, I want to show you a couple